Okay, brushes in hand.
Check.
Toothpaste on board.
Check.
Then we are ready to commence brushing in 3, 2, 1, go! Good, good. Nice movement there, Maddie.
Thanks, Dad.
And you too, Triggs. Lovely rhythm.
Thanks, Mr. S.
At this rate, we'll be hearing from your white and pearlies soon.
Who are the white and pearlies?
You know, your pearly whites. Your teeth. Don't you know that if you brush them really well, they sing you a song?
What? Is that true?
Sounds like it's worth a try to me, Maddie.
That's the way to do it, Triggs. Nice, steady brushes up and down. Super work there, Maddie. Lovely, swishy little circles. That's what the white and pearlies like.
Hello, 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 hello.
Maddie, I think your teeth are about to start singing.
I think you might be right, Triggs.
Let's